Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put y go to the left and we have negative y. This one we have negative number 1. So we have y and first derivative of y. This is about linear differential equations. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that negative number 1 next to y. This is for integrating factor. And we have e to the power of negative s. That means we multiply both sides by this one. So 2s minus s, we have positive s. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we look carefully about this one, we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y e to the power of negative s. This one we have e to the power of s. This one with negative in here, we have positive e to the power of negative s. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.